When it comes to food, only two things matter. That it tastes good, and there's lots of it. So today, we're serving up something awesome. It's time for a 100-layer food challenge. Can I go first, please? Oh, chocolate spread. You should see this. I'm going to enjoy this. Are you going to eat it all? Yep, every last scoop. But I'm going to need some help. I have these jumbo straws. This should speed things up. Go, go, go! I guess I should eat mine. Stand back. I'm going in. Huh? Did you say something? Check it out. It's a chocolate swimming pool. How did you do that? Wait, get back here. Where did she go? It works every time. So much chocolate. I have a better idea. Wow, this is delicious. It's so gooey. I can't see her. That is so weird. Wait a second. You're a chocolate thief. I'll show you. And now, I wait. Wait, this isn't right. It's ice cubes. Did you do this? I can explain. Want to share? Yeah, why not? It's so good. I wonder what we've got this time. That looks good. Wow, I got cupcakes too! What? Are you kidding me? I don't make the rules. This doesn't seem fair. At least it has sprinkles. And it is tasty. This frosting is great. I just wish I had more. You look like you're enjoying that. Let me help you. Hey, why would you do that? You've got something on your face. That wasn't funny. At least I still have my cake. I can't wait to try these. I'm going to stack them on top of each other. I'll make a cupcake tower. Whoa, that's high! I think that should do it. What are you going to do? Eat them, obviously. Munch, munch, munch! You must be hungry. I just love cupcakes. They're so tasty. My compliments to the chef. Do you want to try it? You read my mind. I'll stack them up for you. I'm going to add a secret ingredient. I'll give each cupcake a little squirt of mustard. I think they're ready. I hope you like them. This is going to be amazing. Chomp, chomp! They are light and fluffy. Any moment now. Uh-oh, that's spicy. I pranked you! I can't believe you ate that. Ready to open them? Wow, Coco! No way! This is a huge… Am I dreaming? I'm so jealous! And it's all mine. I'll need a super spoon! I'm looking forward to this. You're so lucky. I'm going to try it. Slurp! That is pretty good. I want more. Hey, take it easy. Seriously, that nearly hit me. I don't need it anymore. How come I get the tiny cup of cocoa? Ha! It is pretty small. I mean, look at it. Whatever, hang on. I have an idea. I'll need a popsicle stick. I'll place it into the cocoa. And then I'll freeze it. I've got a frozen chocolate treat. Pretty cool, huh? It's great. It's the best thing I've tasted. Where did you get that? Can I have a lick? Please, go on. Fine, here you go. Thanks, bestie. I love it. Double chocolate. Time for the next dish. What's that? I mean, it's teeny tiny. It is a little disappointing. Better luck next time. Now that's cotton candy. Oh, come on. Look at it. It's bigger than my head. I don't like this game. Wait, that's nice. I like it. It's nice and chewy. You're actually happy with it? Oh, it's all gone. Now I'm sad. I've still to eat mine. This might take a while. Oh wow, it's delish. It's like eating a cloud. I wish it was mine. I can't stop. I don't want to watch this anymore. She always gets the nice things. Time for some fun! I hope she likes spiders. I suppose we're about to find out. Now, I wait. Nom nom nom! She ate it. Nothing can ruin this. Hang on. There's something hairy in there. It's a spider! Ah! I hate spiders. They're not that bad. You did this! I'm so mad! Let's take a look. Nice, delicious golden French fries. Whoa, they look so yummy. I hope I have fries. Hey, I'm not complaining. That's it? That's all you got? It smells so good. Okay, it's just a fry. It looks nice and crunchy. I really enjoyed that. Okay, now I'm going to eat my fries. Every single one. Yum, yum. You could share. I think I know what to do. I have some super spicy hot sauce. I'll stick this label to it. She'll have no idea. Hey, want some ketchup for your fries? I guess so, thanks. This is just what they need. And I do love ketchup. My mouth is watering. Whoa, she's putting it all on the fries. It needs lots and lots. Gimme, gimme, gimme! She's got no idea what's about to happen. Thanks so much for the ketchup. Wait. It's hot, so hot! Eek! Fire! Ugh, what just happened? Oh no, my fries! They look a little crispy. My mouth is still burning. We hope you loved all that tasty challenge. Remember to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There's lots more fun lined up. We'll see you next time.